Hi guys, this is Anoop Sagar. Welcome to my new show Tales of Tulunad. You guys might be thinking what I'm doing here. So, I have a surprise for you. Let's go. Surprise! We are here to celebrate Holi, which is locally known as Oakley in Konkani. Let's have some fun. For today's celebration, my outfit gonna be this. So everyone knows Mangalore is also known for culture, location and food. And Mangalore has variety of food. So as of now, we had fun. Now it's time to eat and enjoy. CarStreet is everything about food. If you love snacks, tasty snacks, you must visit Veera Venkatesha stall, which is right next to the temple. So I'm trying this cabbage pakoda. Let me eat and have fun. You guys come down here, eat and have fun. As you can see how Veera Venkatesha temple has its history, even this Goli soda also has history. I'm sure this will taste good. So let me try this. Wow, it was really a great experience. Honestly speaking, I was really surprised to see so many devotees attending the car fest. Anyways, we had a lot of fun shooting this video and I hope you will also have a lot of fun watching this video. So if you have liked this video, please do comment, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Avika Productions. Solmil.